So this is your first written assignment since Unit 2. In Unit 2 you had a written assignment. Then in Unit 3 we got rid of the written assignment and the project so you could focus on that unit and get through it because we were behind. We're still a little behind, but we added these back because the practice is important. So this is a written assignment. It's not meant to be completed as a whole class, the whole thing. It's kind of like a homework assignment that you would turn in to show what you know. And so we can see if you need a little extra help somewhere. Because if we just do everything as a class all the time and you just write those things down, then we don't get to know that, okay? So this is your written assignment number 4, translating expressions. It's on page 25. It's just this one page, honestly, which is nice, but you can also write down on notebook paper if you need extra space or anything like that. The directions are, in this activity, you will write mathematical expressions by translating number stories or word problems. You also analyze and correct an error, show all work, and answer each question in complete sentences. Mr. Leatherback and Mr. Hawkins translated this expression differently. So here there are 2 answers, and you have 3 questions to answer. It says, Mr. Leatherback made an error. What was Mr. Leatherback's error? Describe his error. So you're going to point out his error. You could probably even circle it there if you wanted to, and then explain it. Mr. Hawkins also made an error. Describe his error. Again, it did ask you to use complete sentences to do this. Please write legibly so we can read your answers and understand your thinking too. And then it says, translate the expression correctly. So the expression, in case you didn't see it, I kind of glossed over it, is right here. This is the expression they were working with. 4 less than a number times 10 is equal to 100. 4 less than a number times 10 is equal to 100. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you're going to write the correct answer. And it does say for you to write an expression, but that is a typo, clearly, because it says is equal to 100. So you're actually writing an equation. And I'll have them fix that. All right, that is it for this assignment, this written assignment. I'm not going to give you too much on it. I want to see what you think about it, okay? So come back for lesson 4.4.